Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you clicked on this video today. So today we are doing another hair video. Here is the hair company that we are working with today. Just opening up the box right now so you guys can see what's inside. So there was some tweezers inside the box, but this was originally inside the bag. So you're going to see me show you some tweezers right here. They must have fell out, but they was originally inside the bag. So here's what the bag looked like. And then inside the bag, you have some lashes. And of course your wig. And then the wig cap. I'm going to put the hair on my mannequin head so you guys can get a better look at the hairline here in a second. But this is what the hair is looking like. The color of this wig is definitely perfect for the fall right now. Here's the inside of the wig. You get 4 combs. The link to this hair will be down in the description box if you guys are interested in this hair. And also there's a special code if you use my name. Now this company did spell my name with an L, but y'all, my name is Aisha. It is spelled with an I. But I didn't notice it until the last minute. So the code is down below. Now here I'm just trying to give you guys a better view of the hairline. The hair did come pre-plucked. And this is what it's looking like. Now I do just want to say that I did try to install this wig myself the first time, but I just did not like how it was coming out and I got frustrated, so I ended up hitting up my friend to do it for me. And shout out to her because she did make it work, and I had already cut and had glue on the lace and all that, but in the end it still worked out, so shout out to her for that. Now I just want to say a couple things about the hair while you guys are watching this install. So the hair did come pre-plucked. Like I said in the beginning, I did not do any extra plucking or bleaching to the hair. So this hair is basically straight out of the box. Putting it on, other than adding makeup to the lace, we did do that. The hair did come true to length. It's 24 inches and the hair was really soft. The hair did have a little frizz to it, but after I added oil on there, it did tame it. But the hair can get a little frizzy. So if you do decide to purchase this hair, just make sure you have some oil on hand. With curling the hair, I have been wearing this hair for a couple days now, and the curls is still holding up. I haven't really got a whole lot of shedding in the few days that I have been wearing this hair. But if you guys do want a more detailed review, like after 1 month, comment down below and let me know, and I will get that video out to you guys. Or if you have a question that I did not answer in this video, just leave a comment down below and I will answer it in the comments. Also, the glues that are being used in the video is Ghost Bond glue and Got to Be glue spray. I know we had a lot going on in the background. I hope you guys are not getting distracted by that, but this was a last minute thing and I had to get the video done. So I do apologize if that's distracting to you, but you know how it be. Okay, so you're going to see two different videos of the hair. One when I had first did it, like I told you in the beginning when I did my first install, but I just didn't like the way it turned out because it shows the colors better than this video right here. But this is the finished look. And then in a second, you're going to see me in a different area showing you guys the hair again so you guys can really see the color and how it looks in better lighting. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.